Hiya, hope you're okay. We've got a beauty for you today. This is a really, really special bag. I love it. In fact, I love it so much. It very nearly didn't get made into a video. It very nearly didn't get put on the website. It very nearly got bought by me because I just think it's fantastic. In fact, let me look at it. How could you not want this in your bag collection? It's just stunning. It is, of course, a Vuitton Speedy 30, Damier Ebene. 30 because that is the size across there. The condition of this is insane. I'll show you it in just a second. I'm just going to quickly show you what it comes with. Comes with the Louis Vuitton box. So if you are wanting to buy this as a gift, you've got a box already for it. Although, why you buy it and give it away? I just can't stand that. Okay, dust bag. We've also got the original Harrods receipt. We've got the little kind of card for the fabric, and then I love these little dinky things, as you know, little tiny Louis Vuitton dust bag. It's just the cutest little thing, and that has got the padlock in with 2 keys. Okay, so the bag itself has, of course, got the 2 top handles. We've got Louis Vuitton on all of the 4 studs, which I doubt very much will focus, but it is on there. Of course, you've got the little Louis Vuitton on the checkerboard, and of course on the back it is upside down because it's one continuous piece of fabric. We'll just show you the size while we're at it. It is a zip top closure, so on the zip, again, you've got the studs here, Louis Vuitton, that won't show up, I doubt, and can you see that there? Okay, so zip top closure. Obviously what this means is that you can, with the padlock that shut if you wanted to. Inside, beautiful red lining, can you see that? Let me see if I adjust my settings. Does that help? Can you see the red? Make it a bit lighter in here, perhaps helps. So beautiful, beautiful red lining. One flat pocket just there. You've got the key ring thingy there. The date code is, I think it's underneath the pocket. Yeah, it's underneath the pocket there. Can you see that? There you go. Okay, so condition of this bag. The interior is excellent condition. The exterior is excellent condition. One thing you might notice is you can see this little fold. It's simply because the bag hasn't been used. So it's been stored, you know how they can flat pack the bag? And it's been stored in the gorgeous box. So all it actually needs is for someone to open it and use it, and it'll be fine. So just stuffing it as you would normally keep your bag, and then using it. In my case, I use this every day, but using it, and that's, if you can see that, that's all that is. So we call the exterior excellent, the interior is excellent. The hardware, we've actually called it worn. Now, the hardware on the bag is in fantastic condition. There is nothing to report on that at all. The only reason we've called it worn is because of the padlock. You can see it's kind of looking a little bit sort of, I would call it tarnished. It's not tarnished, but the reason it's like that is because it hasn't been used. Ironically. So the fact it hasn't been used means I have to call it worn. Make of that what you will. But that is the only thing that is slightly wrong with the bag. The rest of it is just beautiful. As I said, this very nearly came home with me. Very nearly didn't make it to our website. It's just beautiful. As I always say, the classics are classic for a reason. Stunning. Okay, so there's a link to this bag on our website. If you go to my comments below this video, the link will take you straight there. And whilst you're on the website, you can sign up for the newsletter. We'll give you 5% off your first purchase. It's really, really worth getting that discount code ready. We've had it quite recently, even this week, where somebody has seen the bag they wanted to buy. They've signed up to get the discount. They've waited the 15 seconds it takes for it to arrive into their inbox, and in that 15 seconds, someone else has taken the bag to check out and bought it. So if you have your discount ready, you don't have to wait 15 seconds. You can just purchase the bag. We only have one of every bag, so there isn't time to waste. So go and get your discount code sorted, and then you are ready for action. What else I need to tell you? Our subscribers are just shooting up really quickly, so if you are new to the channel, hello, welcome, thank you for joining us. We genuinely appreciate you tuning in to see these bag videos every day. If you haven't yet subscribed, then subscribe to the channel. We have Armcandy coming in every single day. So if you've got a dream bag that you're waiting for, if you subscribe to the channel, it means that you'll get the opportunity to see it, and you'll perhaps have a bit more of a chance of actually buying it before someone else buys it and it's sold. So yes, so subscribe to the channel. I've also put a link in the comments to, suddenly gone very bright, to our Instagram. If you have Instagram, we'd love for you to come and follow us on Instagram. Insta is all about the product, so we've got all of our bags and Armcandy on there, but we also have a little bit about what's going on behind the scenes, and we just love you to come and see it, basically. So come and join us on Insta if you have Instagram. Have a fabulous rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's bag is beaut.